Hey guys, in today's video I will be doing Photoshop battles, which I technically already did, but then I kind of deleted the files. But I have all the pictures and I can just show you guys what I did. So the first picture I chose was a young girl holding a cat the same size as her. The microphone's over here. And this is a pretty great looking picture, you know. No, yeah. And this is what I did. Yeah, basically I did like a, new BCC video. It's like the cat's the new emote. It's neck breaker. You guys see what I'm saying there? I thought that was pretty funny. I'm kind of disappointed that this is going to be a very quick video. It wasn't supposed to be. Crap. I don't know what took up so long in the other video. I was just going through. I thought good ideas with some of these. I wish I did this one. No, this is the picture I did. No, I chose the wrong picture. This is the picture I did. And then I did this for it. So. See, I thought handcuffs too, but I don't know. And there's these. Oh, let's look at some other people's. Like, banana for sale? I guess that's good. See, everyone's as good as I am. Like, not very good, but they can do some things. That's kind of good. But I didn't do that one. Some of these are new. Like then the next one I did was this man on a skateboard pointing. Let's look at some of the other ones first. Oh god, well there's only one other one in mine. So I like that. I like what he did there. And then you get mine. It's him, officer. So you see he's here, he's laying on the ground like, oh, it was him. And then there's like the crash, and the guy's holding the skateboard, because you see he has the skateboard. So he's riding, he goes down the lane, boom, he gets hit in this accident. And then he's giving the skateboard back. See? I won that one. And there's so many funny ones I wish I did too, but and last but not least, because I was only going to do 3 in this video, this one. Photoshop. Guy jumping off a cliff. So, yeah. There's only a couple of these, too. Dinner's ready. Explosions. This. And then there's mine. So, remember, this is the original. This guy. That guy. Looks like a person there. And this guy jumping off. See, this one was just a shark there. And I think that was very cool. And there's an oof. Also not very good. I don't understand any of these. The first one makes sense. And then you got mine. It's a satanic ritual. You see, there's the guys, and there's the things, there's the star, and there's a volcano in the middle. He's just going straight in. I know I won this one. Like, there's no other way anyone else won it. Mine's actually, I feel like it's so funny. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't do it right. Next time I do it, it will be done correctly. I hope I don't try to put them all my files in the JPEG. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash like, subscribe if you're new, and peace.